This is a JCMASTER product, and now we are showing you a product use introduction. Now this is the main machine, and this is the handle. This is the wrench, and those are gifts we send to you. They are beads. Now let's start. You keep the plain point and the orange button on a line, and then you press the orange button and turn left to right 3 circles. Then you could pull out the bead on the head. Then you could pick a bead you lead into the head and use the still keep the plain point and the orange button on a line, and use the wrench. Turn right to left 3 circles. Then when you heard a noise of a click, the bead is locked. Now you could start to use it. This is a switch button. You could turn on or turn off the main machine. This is a button to change the direction, reverse and forward. This is the you could use to change the speed from left is minimum and right is max. Now we turn on the machine, and it is a reverse direction and minimum speed. Now we move to right. It is turn to the high speed and move to the fast speed, and when we move back, it turn to a lower speed, and it is a minimum speed now. Now it is the forward direction. Again, we move to right to move to a high speed and then to a fast speed. Now move back. It is a minimum speed. And now we turn off the machine.